Greetings, greetings, y'all, my brothers and sisters out there. How y'all doing? I hope everyone is doing well today. It's a beautiful Tuesday. I mean, we've been getting some good rain. So this morning I decided I'm going to come outside and I'm going to work in the yard, work on my banana plants. And that's what I've been doing, you know, trimming the banana plants. As you can see, this one, it have 3 leaves on it because I trim it up. The ones that were yellowing and brown and whatever. So I'm trying to clean them up real nice, you know, like giving them a nice like a bath. You know, that's what I was doing today. So I trim and I drop them on the ground, and then I'm going to come around with the shovel and dig some dirt and cover it up and put even some of the avocado leaves and everything under them to really mulch them up, make them nice, because you're going to get more big and healthier bananas. So that's why I'm here, you know, working on them. And look at this mango tree, guys. I have to show you it. This is a beautiful mango tree, ain't it? When I came here, I eat the mango and I plant the seed right here. And look at this lovely mango tree. 2021, look. Beautiful mango tree growing, lovely, spreading. This girl is just spreading out and opening his wings and getting enough sunlight and all the beautiful things, you know. Yeah. yes. I mean, beautiful. And so, you know, just see how lovely these banana plants are. They are really lovely, I'm telling you. Some of these I plant them in 2000. These little ones here I planted in 2022 before I went back to Florida. Yes, this one here and these right here. So I haven't started getting any banana from them. I wasn't here to really treat them real good, but now I am really taking good care of them, just chopping and mulching and, you know, cleaning them, and they are doing very well right now. I mean, very well, and I'm pleased with the result, really pleased with the result. This is a passion fruit, you see right here, supposed to be on an arbor. I just have it on a wire fence, little wire fence around there, and it been blooming, but the bugs them been bothering it. I'm gonna figure out what I could spray on it, maybe some neem and, you know, little dishwashing soap, and, you know, so I'm gonna figure out something to spray it with real nice, and, you know, let the fruits, because it's good to make your juice and all that stuff, you know, because we really need to be eating from our backyard. Everything that we eat, we really need to eat from our backyard. All our vegetables, our fruits, we're supposed to be able to come in our backyard every morning and say, I'm going to pick some fruits, and that's for breakfast right now. And then, you know, I could do something a little heavier after, you know, but I just want the fruits because the fruits are so nice. You can get all kind of fruits. You can then make some salad and all that, you know, some beautiful things. And look at the papaya, guys. It's beautiful papayas on the tree. The yellow yam run up in it, and we have some damn rat bats that eating our lovely papayas. They are so sweet, and today I'm able to pick 9 because they are not gonna get them tonight because they come out in the night and they start eating everything. Yes, but it's so beautiful to have these things where you can come out in the morning and pick a cup of papaya and just, you see, sometimes I come out here, I pick a papaya and I just peel it right here and eat it. Lovely. Throw the seeds in the garden back and all the lovely things that is growing here. We have so many things growing here, but today I really want to focus on my banana plants because that's what I came out here for this morning. I thought about all night. I say I'm going to work on my banana plants today, and that's what I did. I'm cleaning them very good, giving them a bath and all that stuff, just stripping them down and coming back around and get the dirt around them and all that, even if I don't finish everything today because it's a lot, and I've been out here all day all day, you know, trying to work on them, and I have so many other things in the garden, beans and all that stuff. So I'll come back around the next time when I come back and show you the other stuff that I'm growing in here. But today I really want to focus on what I'm doing with my banana plants. So this one here, it's planting. So I take it from the mother plant today because I want to have more, and I put it here. You see, lovely. You see how lovely it is, this baby. And then this other sister is over here. Both of them I took today and I put them right here, and I think they are in a very good spot and they are gonna do lovely, right, girls? Yes, yes, yes. And this papaya right here, very lovely. This one here, see its turn. I'm getting ready to pick you up because them those darn rat bats, they're not gonna eat you. You hear me? So when you cut this one, it's so lovely inside. It's so sweet and juicy. I mean, just the right amount of sugar in there and water. It's very lovely and I love it. It's sweet. Yes, yes, yes. And this is what I've been doing. See all of this on the ground, or chopping these. This one, the reason why I didn't cut none off of this one today, I just trimmed the little ones, and there was a dry one and I cut it because it just blossom out a big nice blossom on it. Big nice blossom on it. Yes. And so all of these now I can show you where I already cover up these already. I already mulched them up. Everything is on the ground, and as you can see, you know, my cutlass is here, everything. Yeah. And we have a lot of bananas ready to eat too. This one is not ready, but we have one over there that is ready. Man, it's lovely that you can have all these things. So you can see how I cover up everything here. And all the ones them that have bananas on it, I don't trim those trees. I just leave them. It's just the one them that doesn't shoot out yet, the flowers that I trim. Yes, and they are lovely. And you know, I learned something about the banana, that okay, when it shoot out that big blossom, that big purple thing, and you have the babies on it, those nice banana fingers on it. Okay, the bottom part there where you see, I didn't know that it was the male, the purple, yeah, right here, that's the male. So if they say it's best to leave this on, because it supports the female, you know, give it more energy, you know. And then what happened, the bees, they come and suck the nectar from it. You see what I'm saying? If they're not, if one of them, I see one of them with a lot of bees on it, but they're way off. I'll see if we can catch it and show you it. But they say it's best to leave this part on to support the male, right? Ain't that something, male and female? Yes, 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 yes. So this support the female and the babies and all that stuff, so they get stronger. Yes. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. And I think I'll see one that I'll try to show you with the bees and all that stuff, sucking the nectar. And here we have a lot of pineapples in here. Just be careful stepping in here. Yes. I think it's gonna be hard to catch it. I don't think we're gonna be able to see the bees and all that stuff that's sucking the nectar from it. There's a lot of them. It's kind of hard to catch it up there, you know. And they say the nectar is very sweet. Whenever time I have one, Lord, I'm gonna try to taste. See them up there, how they're sucking the nectar from the female up there, and then the male part is down here, that the bees, they come and get the nectar from there, and that's how we get all the honey and all that stuff. So it's beautiful. Nature is such a beautiful thing, guys. It's beautiful. Nature was here when we came here, and I feel proud of myself that, you know, I really can come out here in the garden and put in so much work in here. And what it gives back, you know, it gives back so much. I can't even, sometimes I say, oh my goodness, I can't even believe that I really do so much. I can't, right now it's so many bunches of bananas that are in here. And let me tell you something, I never forgot that Sunday morning, I bought these banana plants from this gentleman, and I have to ask these little guys, they were very heavy to push the banana plants, the babies, in a wheelbarrow up to the road, way up to the road where I have to catch the van to come up here. But it was a Sunday morning, and the van, they don't run that often, so take a taxi and bring them up here that Sunday morning. And I came up here and I got my shovel and I dig the holes, and I tell you, and I put these banana plants in, and I'm very proud of myself today. Oh my God, today is what, October what, 23rd or 24th 2023, and I plant these in March 2021. And look guys, look at the amount of bananas, look at the amount of pineapple that I see push out here, and man, everything is here that you can think of what I have done, and what these beautiful hands that the Creator have blessed me with, that I could put my hand in the ground, and these beautiful plants all over the place. I have so many things in here, and I tell you, I feel good. If my dad was alive today and come and visit me and see this place, he probably wouldn't stop hugging me and said, "Dad, I am so proud of you." Even my mom, if she come here and she see this, she probably cry. I know she would cry. When she see what I have done right here, she would cry here to see what I have really done here with these two hands. And I am proud of these two hands, and I'm grateful for life. I'm grateful for health and strength, every day, and I keep it moving every day. And I'm grateful for everything, every step that I take, every breath that I take. I am so proud. I am so joyous. I am so happy and proud of me to see what I have done, and the God in me give me the power, the strength to go every day more and more. And the more I do, and the more I see what I have been doing and what I have accomplished out of all of this, I am so proud, and I just want to keep going. Right now, I just wish I have like 3-4 acres of land right now, and I know exactly what I will put on those acres of land if I have it right now today. I tell you, tomorrow morning I would step on that land right there, and I would be out there, just start working and getting the things that I need and buy the things and putting them in. Like, you all would think this woman is not real. This woman must be some mad woman. You all will not. You would not believe the things then that I can do and what these two hands can do, and it's gonna come. I know it's going to come where I accomplish the land that I want and the kind of farming that I want to put into it. The things that I want to do, I want people to be able to come with their children and see the kind of fruits. I want exotic fruits. I want people to come and sit down and enjoy some of the fruits. Not only, but because when you do these things, it's not all about money. It's about people coming and see what you're doing and teaching others how to do this thing. You understand? I learned so much from my parents, and I learned from the elders growing up in Jamaica, and learned from people in Florida, and I've been learning more and more every day from other people. And I'm so proud when I see young people like all in Jamaica doing the farming. I feel good. Young people. This young lady I see down there, and she doing the cabbage, and she making money. This other guy that used to be in the Olympic, and now he's doing the hydroponic farming. And I tell you, I am so amazed. It's a beautiful thing, and I'm proud of these young people for doing these things, because I know I'm way older than these young people that I see doing it. They could be my children, and when I see them doing it, I feel proud. I feel good. And at my age, that I'm doing this, I feel damn good. And I want to even do way more. I want to do more where people can come and sit, have some seat somewhere, and they enjoy every bit of it, fresh fruits everywhere, vegetables fresh everywhere, organic, nothing, no fertilizer, no nothing like that. Things where you can enjoy it and you feel satisfied. That's what I want people to feel satisfied. You come with your bag and you eat and you buy what you want and you leave, and you want it to satisfy. Every time you come to my farm and buy stuff, that's what I want. And I know I'm going to accomplish that land to do what I need to do, so people can come and see it and they can enjoy it, and they can go back and buy their land, and they can come and we can have workshop and all that stuff and teach people how to do this, how not to use bad chemical on your food that you're gonna consume in your body, and just teach the youths them that is coming up about all these beautiful things and the lovely plants and the fruits and the vegetables them. And I hope you enjoy this this video that I've done today. I hope you are having a wonderful day where you are. And I know some place already got cold. Yes, some place already getting cold right now. So stay warm wherever you are. If it's cold and if it's hot, stay cool. Yes, rest up yourself and big up yourself and just love upon yourself and just take care of yourself at all times. Self-care, self-love. Yes, and we'll catch up with you soon. Take care of yourself and know that we're sending love your way this Tuesday. Yes, much love to you all, and take care of grandma, grandpa, mom and dad and the little children. Yes, but take care of yourself first, because if you don't love and take care of yourself first, you can't take care of no one else. But much love to you all. Peace out, and we will catch up with you soon. All right, take care now.